Welcome to PCS Current News program. The topic of discussion is new Dutch Prime Minister. Recently, former spy chief Dick Schoof was sworn in as the new Dutch Prime Minister. King William Alexander officiated the ceremony at the Royal Huis ten Bosch Palace in The Hague. He is the 43rd Prime Minister of the Netherlands, appointed to the office for the first time on 2 July 2024. He was the former head of the Dutch Secret Service. He succeeds Mark Rutte, who is set to become NATO's next Secretary General later this year. Global significance of new Dutch Prime Minister. The new Prime Minister has pledged to implement the strictest ever admission policy for asylum and the most comprehensive package for getting a grip on migration. Immigration is a vital issue in the Netherlands, like most of Europe. The Netherlands has seen an influx of migrants. In 2022, over 21,000 people from outside the EU sought asylum in the Netherlands, mostly from African countries like Morocco. The Netherlands also have 40,000 registered Ukrainian refugees, so the strict admission policy of the newly formed government will affect migrants and human rights issues globally. Significance of India-Netherlands relations. Prime Minister of India congratulated the newly sworn-in Prime Minister of the Netherlands, Dick Schoof, on assuming office. He also looks for further cooperation in areas of renewable energy, water management, and agriculture, among others. Both countries already have partnerships on ongoing projects like local treatment of urban sewage streams for healthy reuse and Dutch Indo-Water Alliance Leadership Initiative. The Netherlands is the fourth largest trading partner with India in Europe and the fourth largest investor in India. The bilateral trade reached an all-time high of $27.58 billion during 2022-23. Now is the time for practice question. Recently, who have been appointed as the 43rd Prime Minister of the Netherlands? Dick Schoof, Mark Rutte, Christijan Mickoski, or Alamai Halina? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for more such updates. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.